A lot of people ask, what can be the reasons of getting rejected in an express entry profile or in your application for permanent residency towards Canada? The reasons can vary depending on the application, how you have handled your applications. It really depends on different applications, and it depends how truthfully and how genuinely you have presented your case. Some of the key reasons why an immigration file may be rejected are these. Incomplete documentation. Many people today use their own skills and research to apply under the express entry stream. They often lead towards submitting an application which is incomplete or which does not contain the essential documents. This is the very first and instant cause of rejection. With the CIC aiming to process your PR application within 6 months, visa officers are very strict nowadays. They do not want you to send incomplete applications. They want you to submit comprehensive application so that their time is not wasted. So if you are submitting incomplete application, you have a chance of being rejected without being asked for any explanation. The other cause or the second major cause is misrepresentation. Misrepresentation not only makes your application invalid or not only provides you with a refusal letter but can also render you inadmissible to Canada for 2 to 5 years. Try to present yourself in a very truthful way. Do not try to play with the rules. Always submit genuine documents. Let's come towards the point. Will my application be rejected if I have everything in order? When you are submitting a PR applications, you are not submitting an application for visitor visa or temporary class. So you will not be refused based on the judgments of the visa officer. Rather, you will be given a chance if there are any doubts or if there are any concerns of the visa officer, and you may be called for an interview. It is a standard procedure in Canadian PR processing of applications that the applicant will be issued a fairness letter, which is called procedural fairness letter. In this letter, the visa officer will try to guide you or tell you about his or her reservations. You will have a chance to provide further documents and to clarify the doubts that the visa officer is having on your file. If everything is okay, if everything is genuine, the chances of getting a refusal is very slim and very limited, and majority of the applications are approved, but they go through a rigorous process of background checks, of application checking, applicant's history, your criminal record, the authenticity of your documents, and so on and so on. There are many ways for the visa officers to assess if you have presented yourself in a truthful way or not. If you are fulfilling all the requirements regarding your eligibility, if you are fulfilling all the requirements about your finances, your criminality, and your documents are genuine, there is not a big chance of getting a refusal. So if you are solid when it comes to the basis of your application, you have a very great chance of being accepted and ultimately issued a PR or issued a COPR to fulfill your Canadian dream. If you have any questions about how to submit your applications, what format a certain document should have, you can contact me on my website, which is www.canadiandreamonline.com. I can also be accessed by the email, which is info@canadiandreamonline.com. And I will try to help you fulfill your Canadian dream.